When you install new Windows 11 on your system, it comes with lots of pre-installed app, but that's not a problem. The problem is after using it for 1 month or 2 months, your system becomes very slow. Suddenly your RAM usage becomes high and CPU processes also increase. I'm going to help you to bring that into normal state. After this video, your system will get fresh air. That means low RAM and CPU usage, processes also going to cut down, and in this process all Microsoft tracking or telemetry is going to be disabled. So as you can see on my system, there's lots of pre-installed apps. My CPU usage is around 12% and 190 processes, and RAM usage is around 6 GB. So I'm going to show you how you can bring to normal state, and also the background telemetries and other AI features which runs in background, that is going to be disabled. Okay, so just go to description link and go to this keysfan.com. They are providing the legit keys, but these keys are OEM keys. You can activate your Windows for one system. If you want to use that key in other system, that is not going to happen. That's why it is cheaper, right? So official Windows 11 key is around $200, so that will cost you much, but it will cost you around $7 only. Okay, so what are the limitations of these keys? So if you use this key, you will not get the Microsoft official support. That is one disadvantage, and you can activate your Windows only for one PC, whereas official Microsoft $200 key, you can activate your Windows up to 20 systems. So they are offering 50% off on Windows OS and 66% on Microsoft Office. So these are legit keys, so you can use it. Okay, so first just copy this code from here. Just click here buy, click here add to cart, view cart, and here you need to apply this code. Then you will get it for $13. Apply discount. Now it becomes $13.30. Click here proceed to checkout. You need to enter your email or other full details here, address, all things, and use your credit card or debit card. After payment you will receive key on your mail. On email you will get here Windows 11 Professional CD key. So just save it for later. Okay, so let's do it. So first you need to go to description link. You will get here this Win11 debloat script. So basically this is a simple lightweight PowerShell script which will help you to make your system faster. And believe me, after following this full video, you will thank me in the comments. So basically what you have to do, just copy this command from here. After that go into Windows search for Windows PowerShell and run as administrator, and right click to paste this command and hit enter. After that it will open this window. Here you will get three options like default mode, custom mode, and app removal mode. I will show you first and third option. If you want to only remove apps, so just type here 3. After that one pop-up will open, and check this box only show installed apps. Now you can see all pre-installed apps are here. You can check all them, like you don't want to remove Paint app and calculator apps or camera app, so you can uncheck them all. Here you can see Clipchamp, Microsoft Bing News, Bing Search, Bing Weather, Copilot, Edge. Microsoft is also going to remove here. And here's a one culprit like OneDrive. Because of this your system becomes very laggy. Okay, so use OneDrive on web, not as a pre-installed app. So uncheck Paint app because I want it, like I want Microsoft Store, so uncheck that. So you can check them and just confirm it. After that you will see commands will run and removing 107 apps which you are not using but is still in your system. They are eating your RAM, running in background, slowing your system. So as you can see all commands is automated, you don't need to do much thing. Open start, you will see here clean start menu, which looks pretty cool, right? RAM usage is still 5 GB. Oh, no problem, just wait for it. CPU is around 34% and process is also cut down. You can see from 90 to 70. Okay, so I'm going to cut down more. Now you have to run that command again and it will open this pop-up. This time you have to select the first option like default mode, and after you enter 1 you will see some other options. So you have to select here 2, manual select which apps to remove, and now again you will get here these options. So you can check these apps as I earlier told. If you are not following the third option, so you can check all these apps here. Now here you can see removing 89 apps plus disable Windows recall, disable click to do, this is the AI feature, and disable and remove Microsoft Copilot, disable telemetry, diagnostic data, activity history, app launch tracking, targeted ads. So all AI things, all ad things, or whatever the tips and tricks, suggestions, all things are going to be removed. Press enter. Attempting to create a restore point. So basically it automatically create restore point for you. So no problem at all, removing all the apps. After that, you will see disabling telemetry, diagnostic, all things are going to be disabled automatically. You don't need to do much thing. Just run this command and that's it. So you need to understand how to use it. Okay, so let's open Task Manager. See the CPU usage processes is around 162 and it becomes normal, right? Still I'm running a screen recorder. And let me show you RAM usage. RAM usage becomes half. It was 6 GB and now it is 3.2 GB. Now you notice the difference, right? So this is how you can debloat Windows 11 in a very easy way.